What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of FS Skiing. Today we got Hayden and we got Dylan. Dylan's right there. I don't know what he's doing. And we are at Buck Hill in Minnesota. I don't know what this is called, but we've been calling it the Subway. And they have an okay park. The lifts are pretty slow, but the tow rope is pretty slow for the main part, but the jumps are killer. So we're super stoked to be here. I don't know if you can see this. We're gonna be coming up to a window in the tow rope. It's pretty small. It's not a ton. The jumps are kind of weird, but besides that, that's all I got. So let's enjoy today's video. What is he doing?
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had a chance? If I wrote you a
Oh. Get that interview? Is she okay?
I hope you liked today's video. Today we are going to Highland Hills. This is the Buck Hill video and this is the outro. But if you didn't know already, this is our Minnesota trip with Hayden because he's a senior, so we're doing the senior trip. And then there's Dylan. So we're going to Buck Hill we already went to, which was Wednesday. Today's Thursday, we're going to Highland, and then tomorrow we go to Elm Creek, so we're super stoked on that. So I hope you liked today's video. That's all I got for today. Comment down your local hill in the comment section, and that's all I got for today. Peace, guys.